Hey guys, so these are my two almond trees, and I grew these both from little almond nuts that I bought at the grocery store. And all I did was I soaked them in water for about 24 hours, gave them a good rinse after that, and then planted them just directly into the soil here. I just planted them on their side, and I just made sure I kept the soil nice and damp. And I did grow them over the winter. They took about a month to sprout. And they're about 3 months old now, so as you can see they've put on quite a bit of growth and they are in desperate need of transplanting. This one here has actually got quite a few leaves that have been eaten, so I'm not too sure what's getting at that. Let me know if any of you guys know. I'm quite keen just to see how the roots are going, so let's just have a little look. Wicked. So it's pretty root bound at the bottom, there's lots of roots there, so I don't really want to disturb them too much. And it's always good to keep a bit of the original soil around the plant as well, just so it doesn't get a bit of a shock when it moves. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video about growing almonds from seed, and hopefully I've inspired you guys to give it a try yourself. Make sure you guys check me out on Facebook as well, because I'll be sharing regular updates of these almond trees as well as all the other stuff I'm up to. So hopefully I'll see you on there, otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.